Welcome back to SG Somo Rides. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most trusted and best-selling scooters in India, the Suzuki Access 125. Simple, reliable, and powerful, but is it still worth buying in 2026? Let's find out. Design and looks. The Suzuki Access 125 comes with a clean and classy design. It's not overly sporty, but it has that premium family scooter vibe. With chrome accents, a sleek headlamp and smooth body lines, it appeals to riders of all ages. The latest model also offers LED headlamps and stylish alloy wheels, making it look modern yet practical. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Access 125 is a 124cc single-cylinder engine. It produces around 8.7 PS of power and 10 Nm of torque. The scooter feels smooth, refined, and quick in city traffic. Acceleration is impressive for daily use, and the engine is known for its long-term reliability. Mileage and efficiency. One of the biggest reasons people love this scooter is its fuel efficiency. You can expect around 50 to 60 km per liter, depending on riding style. That makes it perfect for daily commuting and saving fuel costs. Features and technology. Suzuki has added some useful features in the latest version. Digital analog instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, Ride Connect Edition, external fuel filling cap, USB charging port, silent starter system. These features make your daily ride more convenient and modern. Comfort and ride quality. The Access 125 is known for its comfortable ride. It has a wide and soft seat, making it ideal for long city rides. The suspension handles bumps well, and the scooter feels stable even on rough roads. Storage and practicality. This scooter is super practical. You get a large underseat storage space, enough for a helmet and more. There's also a front pocket and hook for carrying bags, perfect for everyday use. Brakes and safety. The scooter comes with drum brakes, and a front disc option is also available. It includes CBS, combined braking system, for better safety. Braking performance is decent and confidence-inspiring for city riding. Price and variants. The Suzuki Access 125 comes in multiple variants, including drum, disc, and Bluetooth versions. The price range makes it a value-for-money scooter in the 125cc segment. Final verdict. So should you buy the Suzuki Access 125? If you want a reliable, fuel-efficient, comfortable, and practical scooter, then yes, it's still one of the best choices in 2026. It may not be the sportiest, but it definitely delivers where it matters the most. Outro. Thanks for watching SG Somo Rides. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing e-bike, e-scooter, content. See you in the next video.